Hi, I'm Zach Napolitano, Senior Manager of Product Marketing at Cvent. Let's be honest, the big show always gets the spotlight. But what about the other 80 to 90% of your event program? The ones that drive pipeline, your roadshows, roundtables, trainings, webinars. They move fast, they repeat, and they hit the same bottlenecks every single time. You're waiting on design, waiting on marketing ops, you're trying to stand out from the competition, all while being asked to move faster, stay on brand, prove ROI, and do it with fewer resources. What if those small, repeatable events didn't have to be such a big headache? That's exactly why we built Cvent Essentials. It's made for marketers and event hosts running frequent in-person events who need a self-service solution that gives them speed, agility, brand consistency, and compliance, and clean, integrated data. Essentials radically simplifies event creation, promotion, and management so we can empower you to simplify your process, amplify your brand, measure results so you can grow your business. Let's take a closer look. First, simplifying event creation. Give your team the tools and guardrails to create events fast. Use powerful templates that are ready to go. Your brand, baked in. Your registration settings, preset. No coding, no bottlenecks, no waiting on support just to build a reg page. Second, promote events without extra tools. Schedule and send emails directly from the Cvent platform. You control the message, timing, and audience all in one place, and you don't need to rely on teammates to do it for you. Third, make check-in easy. Think seamless check-in and on-site registration. Ditch the clipboard and manual headcounts. Create a clean, professional, on-brand experience, even at your smallest events. Fourth, create real engagement. Attendees want interaction, so give it to them. Run live polls, host Q&A, and collect feedback. Essentials keeps the experience interactive without extra tools or logins. Fifth, keep your data clean and connected. Every registration, check-in, and interaction syncs directly into your integrated CRM or marketing automation platform. Sales sees who showed up, marketing gets attribution, and ops doesn't spend the next week cleaning spreadsheets and doing manual uploads. So, why does it matter? Well, for admins and program leaders, let your team run it without needing approval. Built-in templates and branding guardrails ensure every page and email meets your standards. Every event is tracked, integrated, and compliant, and most importantly, it gets work off your plate so you could focus on big priorities. For event creators, Essentials is easy to learn, fast to use, and fully self-service. Launch faster, stay on brand, and deliver premium experiences with no tech support. Then track your registrations, attendance, and engagement, and sync it all to your tools and teams automatically. The bottom line, small events don't have to be so hard. This is how you scale without burning out. Want to see it in action? Visit cvent.com to book your personalized demo. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to help your team launch events faster.